Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to send emails using Mailgun. Mailgun is a powerful email delivery service that makes it super easy to send transactional or bulk emails programmatically. In the next 8 minutes, I will walk you through setting up Mailgun, configuring it, and sending your first email using a simple code example. Whether you are a developer or just curious, stick around, let's get started. First of all, you will need a Mailgun account. Head over to mailgun.com and click sign up. It's free to get started. They give you a sandbox domain and some free credits to test with. Fill in your details like email, password, and a few basics. Once you are in, you will land on the Mailgun dashboard. Here, you will see a sandbox domain already set up for you, something like sandbox123.mailgun.org. This is great for testing, but later you can add your own domain for production. For now, let's stick with the sandbox. Take note of this domain name. You will need it soon. Next, we need an API key to send emails programmatically. In the dashboard, look at the sidebar and click on API keys or sending. It might vary slightly depending on their UI updates. You will see a private API key listed here. It will look like a long string of letters and numbers. Click to copy it, but be careful. This is sensitive info, so don't share it publicly. If you are following along, paste it somewhere safe like a text file for now. We will use this key in our code shortly. Now let's set up our coding environment. I will use Python for this demo because it's simple, but Mailgun works with tons of languages like Node.js, Ruby, you name it. Open your terminal and install the Mailgun library. If you are using Python, run pip install requests. We'll use the requests library to make HTTP calls to Mailgun's API. Once that's installed, create a new file. I will call mine send_email.py. Let's write some basic code. First, import requests. Then define a function to send an email. Here's the setup. This URL is where we will send our request. Replace your API key here with the key you copied and update the domain to match your sandbox. Now let's add the meat of our function. We will use a post request to send the email. Here's the full code. A few things to note. The from address must use your sandbox domain. The to address needs to be a verified recipient in your Mailgun account. In the sandbox, you can add authorized recipients under the domain settings. Go to your dashboard, find authorized recipients and add your email. Save the file, then run it in your terminal with python send email.py. If all goes well, you will see a 200 status code meaning success. Let's verify it worked. Open your email inbox. You should see an email with the subject hello from Mailgun. If it's not there, check your spam folder. Back in the Mailgun dashboard, go to logs under the sending section. You will see a record of the email you just sent. Click it to view details like delivery status. This is super handy for debugging if something goes wrong. And that's it. You have just sent your first email with Mailgun. From here, you can customize the email with HTML, add attachments, or scale up to send bulk emails. If you are ready for production, consider verifying your own domain in Mailgun for better deliverability. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop the below and I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.